Hello and namaste everyone, it's your boy Binay Tamang back with a new latte art tutorial video in front of you. And for today's pattern, we are going to learn how to pour a tulip design in a coffee. Okay, for today's latte art, I'm going to use single shot of espresso and I'll be using 240 ml cup for the latte art. And to talk about the pitcher, for frothing, I'm going to use 400 ml of pitcher, and in this pitcher I have put 150 ml of milk. And for steaming procedure, first leave your steam one little bit and put it all the way to center and create that vortex or whirlpool. You have to just tilt your pitcher and slowly pull the lever and look for the irritation sound and slowly take your pitcher up and now stop. Now you can see a clear foamy texture of my milk. And by swirling this, I am mixing the milk foam and milk together. And to pour my pattern, I am going to use 600 ml professional pitcher from Brewing House Latte. Here you go. Just like the other latte art patterns, you have to start pouring your milk from the center, mixing, and after 25th part of your cup is filled up, you have to aim for the center. Okay, create that one, push and leave it like that, up and cut. This is how you can create a beautiful tulip art in your cafe. Okay, thank you, have a good day, see you next time.